Good evening, viewers. We welcome you to today's news edition. First, let's hear a quick look at the headlines. Prime Minister Modi flags off Vande Bharat Express, says record investment on to modernize the Indian Railways. Prime Minister Narendra Modi pays last respect to his mother, Hiraben, breathed her last at a hospital in Ahmedabad early this morning. MEGHALAYA pays tribute to freedom fighter U Kyang Nangba on his 160th death anniversary. Pelé, the magical Brazilian football star and one of the greatest and best-known footballers in modern history, dies at 82 in Sao Paulo. The news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi flagged off West Bengal's first Vande Bharat Express on Howrah-New Jalaiguri route via video conferencing. The Prime Minister said the central government is making record investment to modernize the Indian railways. Now, modern trains like the Vande Bharat Express, Tejas Express and the Humsafar Express are being made in India. In the next 8 years, the country will see railways on a new journey of modernization. He further said the flagging off of Vande Bharat is a step towards New India's aim of 475 such trains across India. Prime Minister Narendra Modi's mother, Hiraben, has passed away. She breathed her last at a hospital in Ahmedabad early this morning. She was 100. Prime Minister rushed to Gandhinagar this morning to pay last respect to his mother. Prime Minister Modi came to Ahmedabad this morning, and after his arrival, the mortal remains of Hiraben was cremated. MEGHALAYA paid rich floral tribute to freedom fighter U Kyang Nangba on his 160th death anniversary. Pressure groups and individuals alike gathered at different places across the state in the morning and laid wreaths. They recalled his contribution and courage to stand up for the people against the oppression of the British force. In one such gathering at his memorial statue near Civil Hospital Point, Khasi Students' Union KSU President Lombok Star Marngar encouraged the youth to take a cue from the contribution of U Kyang Nangba and stand up for the rights of the people and against any oppression. UTP leader Paul Lingdor said that the sword and shield has been now replaced by pen and urged the youth to utilize it in the modern fight for rights.
Kaya penkesiu yang i ibai pai kum kisam lah. Bakane kapateng kamdai banong ban sutup ba kita ki longswa ki jongi kilale bat kila IT ya kecai penriu hai bon ba kiliang. Hari ka jingkeli ki hangi ki long manta ngin ai ka kumlu ya kapateng ka ban saka. Kata ka song ha perkhat ha jing puson ha jing sutu jong wei pai ukhat kam tam ki samla ki chetlem ki bajuni sebadan nakapor man sya terha pan sya jingi repair pan snow kimat kejura repair nam taka jingbet jingbiang jongka jat penriu rokowai.
Superintendent Engineer retired MEECL Alan K. Suchiang, along with his supporters, joined the Bharatiya Janata Party BJP during a program. Addressing the gathering, BJP State President Ernest Maury, while welcoming the new members to the party fold, urged the Karyakartas to make the enrollment drive of the BJP a grand success. He said that more professionals joining the BJP will ensure the proper implementation and success of the schemes and programs of the party. Suspended Congress MLA from Rambrai Jerngam constituency, Kimphal Sydney Marbanyang, who had recently resigned from the Congress, joined the NPP along with his supporters at a gathering in Rambrai, West Khasi Hills district. Addressing the gathering, Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma said that the party have been waiting for Marbanyang to join since a long time. Meanwhile, Marbanyang said that he joined the ruling NPP as the party has paid attention to the people's demand and all the promises that they made to the people of Rambrai was fulfilled.
Piwai, Akantin, Bapunjoro, Nagin safe no behind you for, but Gadaka Kajikuman, Kajus Momo, Piwai, mapitang ikishan nga nakapwa sa kapwa. Kublay siguro.
Of the National People's Party and being the president at the national level, I warmly once again welcome Bakimfa Marpanian to the National People's Party.
Pelé, the magical Brazilian football star who rose from barefoot poverty to become one of the greatest and best-known footballer in modern history, died at 82 in Sao Paulo on Thursday. He had been in and out of the hospital in recent months after a tumor was found on his colon. Pelé, whose given name was Edson Ardanes do Nascimento, scored a world record 1,281 goals and is the only player ever to win the World Cup 3 times. Labeled the greatest by FIFA Football World Cup governing body, named the athlete of the century by the International Olympic Committee in 1999 and included in Time magazine list of 100 most important people of the 20th century. Pelé was in 2000 voted World Player of the Century by the International Federation of Football History and Statistics and was one of the 2 joint winners of the FIFA Player of the Century Award. He was the original number 10 of world football, a number now spotted by Lionel Messi and Kylian Mbappe. The weather report. The maximum temperature was recorded at 16.1 degrees Celsius and the minimum temperature was 4.6 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity in the morning was 62%, while in the evening it was 56%. Weather is most likely to remain dry. Our news bulletin is also available live on our YouTube channel, Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. In addition to watching on television, viewers may visit the DD News Shillong YouTube channel to tune in into our daily bulletin. Before we wrap up, here are the headlines once again. Prime Minister Modi flags off Vande Bharat Express, says record investment on to modernize the Indian railways. Prime Minister Narendra Modi pays last respect to his mother. Hirabin breathed her last at a hospital in Ahmedabad early this morning. Meghalaya pays tribute to freedom fighter U Kyang Nangba on his 160th death anniversary. And Pelé, the magical Brazilian football star and one of the greatest and best-known footballers in modern history, dies at 82 in Sao Paulo. Well, viewers, that is all we have for you from our newsroom this evening. We will be back tomorrow at the same time with new updates. Till then, it's good night.